How fix disk cleanup not working / crashing on Windows. 1. Use some alternative disk cleanup software. 2. Run an SFC scan and run the DISM tool. Commands include sfc/scanodism /online/cleanup image /scan health dism /online /cleanup image /check health dism /online /cleanup image /restore health 3. Delete temp files at %temp%. 4. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. 5. Run Cloud Reset. 6. Run the disk cleanup utility as an administrator. 7. Switch to an administrator user account. 8. Run disk cleanup in Windows Safe mode.